Hello, I'm Cheyenne, and today I'm going to tell you about a great little product we have, which is our LPCAST-2 burner. This is a two-part cast iron burner, which can be set up for low pressure propane or natural gas. The two parts allow you to extend the throat of the burner using a piece of 3/4 inch black pipe, so you can either get the burner further back where you need it, or install it into a smoker or smokehouse, some kind of cooker that you are building. So this is our LPCAST-2 two-part cast iron burner for low pressure propane, or it can be set up for natural gas. This burner allows you to use a piece of 3/4 inch pipe, nearly any length you need to extend the throat of the burner. We have three different options. First is pictured with the standard orifice on the venturi. You'd use this if you have a control valve in line somewhere. The second option is with our CVO 125 needle control valve. This is a very good option. It allows you to control the burner right at the venturi. Our third option is with our pilot light assembly. This has two valves, one to control the pilot light and the other to control the burner. Assembly is relatively easy. You would take a piece of 3/4 inch pipe, screw it into the burner. All you need to do is hand tighten. There is no need for Teflon tape or any pipe sealant. This is not a pressurized connection, and so the sealant is unnecessary. Same thing here, hand tighten. And then you would hook up the gas. If you are using propane, I would recommend one of our COM5 series regulators, either the COM5 or the COM5-GRN. Now, the fitting here on this control valve is a flare fitting, so there's no need for Teflon tape or sealant. But you do have to hand tighten and give a 1/4 to 1/2 a turn with a wrench. Be sure your valve is off. Then you want to crack the gas. A long lighter, light the burner. You can control it with the valve and slowly open the air until you get an all blue flame. From there you can adjust the burner up or down. And the setup's pretty much the same for all three of the configurations we offer. Whether you get the one with the standard orifice, 90-degree orifice without a valve, if you get the burner with the control valve, or if you get our pilot light assembly, you do have to run the tubing and mount it, things of that nature. So burner's great for smokers and smokehouses. They give you a real fine control, can go down to very low heat, and can also be turned up for more intense flame, but not too intense as a high pressure burner would give you. Again, these burners can be set up for propane or natural gas.